Many unidentified noises on suspension trainers are caused by leveling issues and a lack of routine maintenance. Your suspension trainer is equipped with a set of adjustable levelers that stabilize the machine. When the levelers are not evenly adjusted, your workout will not feel smooth since the unit is unbalanced. Using a 5mm Allen key, remove the bolt and washer attaching the handlebar to the mast on each side. Disconnect the handlebar from the link arm using a 5mm Allen key and a 13mm wrench. Next, slide the handlebar off the mast. Use synthetic grease to coat the mast shaft. Be sure to install a wavy washer on either side of the handlebar. At the connection between the swing arm and the rear upright, use a 13mm wrench and a torque wrench to tighten the bolt to 50 Nm. On the back side of the crank arm, there's a plastic cap that should be removed to expose the ball bearings and hardware. With a 5mm Allen key, remove the bolt and washer. Clean the old grease from the bearings and use wheel bearing grease to relubricate the bearings. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the mast cover. Grease the inside of the elevation track using synthetic grease. Finally, remove the elevation bracket cover to tighten the bolts on the elevation rack with a 6mm Allen key and a 13mm wrench.